Hey guys, it's Gloria, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make ice cream. Let's get started, I guess. I don't have a can opener, but let's start with that. Where did I put my can opener? First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a can, which is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and we're just gonna pour that into a small bowl. 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk into a small mixing bowl. I'm gonna use my whisk to get it out. Okay, so that's enough. I'll probably scrape that out later, but oh my god, it's so messy to work with sweetened condensed milk because it just gets everywhere. But you know, whatever. Then we have 2 tablespoons of espresso powder. You could also use coffee grounds, which is what I'm going to use. And you need a 1/4 cup of water to go into it. Let me get my water, our water. And you just want to pour it. I'm going to say that's a 1/4 cup. That's enough. And I just did not get, I did get a spoon. Okay, nice, I'm gonna place you there. You wanna just mix this around until it's all combined. And while this is steeping, right? Wow, that smells really good. You wanna add, I think I added a teaspoon. Yeah, a teaspoon of salt. There you go, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't know why I grabbed a 1/4 teaspoon, but that's what we're dealing with today. I'm gonna add a little extra. Cool. Oh. And I'm gonna mix that up with my other spoon that I meant to grab, or I could use my whisk, which actually makes more sense. Oh god, it's everywhere. Okay. And you just mix that together. So now that those are all mixed together, our coffee should be ready. As you get to see, because we don't have a filter in it, it's going to be very grainy because, whoa, coffee grounds are in it. So you might want to grab a, strainer or one of the cloth bags. I don't know if people still use those. If you do, that's pretty cool because I think those are awesome. Or a coffee ground cup thing, you know those things. Just whatever you can to get all of these out of there. If there are a couple that slip through, that's awesome because I think it looks cooler when there are just a couple flecks. You know when you have really good vanilla ice cream when there are vanilla beans in it, when you can actually see them? That's why I like that. So, I don't know. Am I rambling? Probably. Now we just want to mix this together. So here it is. I can just get my camera out. So here's our concoction. So far, this is the coffee, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and salt. And these are the little coffee specks that I was talking about. And it's very glossy, which is awesome. Just want to make sure it's all the way combined until it's all one solid color. Yeah. And you want to move that aside. Now you want to grab a, carton of heavy whipping cream. I have 16 ounces, 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. Just want to pour that into a separate bowl. You don't want to pour that into the same bowl. Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, a little bit in that bowl, because that's what's going to happen, I guess. And you want to get a electric whisk, or one of these, like a regular hand mixer. That would take a while, but you just want to mix it up until it's really fluffy and it has stiff peaks. Okay, so this is the last stage that we want for this ice cream. As you can see, it's very, very thick. And the peaks are standing up nice and tall. I'm just gonna do that. Just get it off the end. And there's our whipping cream. Awesome. So you're probably like, oh my gosh, I want to eat this. I thought the same thing. I got a tiny bit. It's not sweetened. So this isn't actually the good whipped cream, I guess. This is just almost butter, basically. If you keep whipping it, if you over whip your whipped cream or your heavy whipping cream, it will turn into butter. Watch out for that, you know? Next thing you want to do is you want to combine your coffee, vanilla, salt, and sweetened condensed milk into your heavy whipping cream, or your whipped cream, whatever you want to call it. So now you just want to mix it, you know? Want to mix it until it is all one even color. Next thing you want to do, if I can find it, heck yeah, let's go. You want to get a pan, a loaf pan, that you would put loaves in. It's like meatloaf, breads, I don't know what other loaves there are, but that's it. And let me just show you what this looks like before we put it in. So it's still very fluffy, but it's also thicker and very, very shiny. Very good. Next thing you want to do, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Please don't fall. That would be great. Next thing you want to do is you just want to pour this into your tin. Oh, gee, okay, yep, I'm going to put the camera down, and I'm going to get the whisk. The whisk helps everything. I just use it to scrape the sides, basically just as a spatula. If you want to get a spatula, you can. I just forgot it, so using a whisk. You want to cover this with plastic wrap. I forgot that. I'm forgetting everything. And you just want to line it with plastic wrap. I like to press it down the sides so it touches the ice cream, so we make sure we have the least amount of frozen, what is it called? Where it's like you leave stuff in the freezer too long and it tastes weird. Freezer burn. So we have at least the amount of freezer burn ice cream, which it won't freezer burn after like a week or so, and then even then you might just want to not eat it if it's been there for a week or more. Just a heads up. And I'm pretty sure it won't even last that long because it's just that good. Now you want to take your loaf pan full of very, very loose ice cream. Put your loaf pan in the freezer for minimum 6 hours, but I did mine overnight, so I really recommend doing it overnight. Surprise! We have a little bit left of the ice cream that we made. Let's go eat, right? Definitely gonna look better than this because, you know, it'll be whole. And you just want to scoop it. And let's try a piece, even though I've had this like 5 times. It's my first time trying it. I got a big spoon. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm good at this. Okay. It's really, really strong. The coffee is really good in this. It's so creamy. And it has just the same texture as store-bought ice cream. This is definitely a really fun process on making it. It's just mixing stuff and then pouring a little bit of stuff. It's really fun. If you have kids or little family members, definitely let them do this because you can't really mess it up. Even if you like add, well, it's whatever. Just have fun making it. I'll leave the recipe in the description if you want to try it. I really recommend it because it's creamy, coffee strong. It looks really pretty because it has all the little coffee bits in it. And I definitely want to add some more stuff into it, like maybe some toffee, chocolate chips. I really enjoyed making this and I hope you enjoy eating it, I guess. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!